Welcome to the story before us, a journey into the origins of humankind and the lost worlds that shaped us. 6 million years ago, Earth was alive with change. Africa, the cradle of humanity, was a land of extremes. Towering forests gave way to open grasslands, and shifting climates forced life to adapt, or vanish forever. Here, early primates clung to the trees for safety, while giant predators stalked the plains below. Massive animals dominated the landscape. Ancient elephants, saber-toothed cats, and creatures long lost to time. But among this dangerous and beautiful world, something remarkable was beginning. A lineage of beings that would one day become us. In this ancient world walked the very first members of our story. One of the earliest known ancestors was Sahelanthropus chidensis, living nearly 7 million years ago. With a small brain, heavy brow, and ape-like features, it looked little like us. Yet the position of its skull hints at a revolutionary step, walking on 2 legs. Later came Australopithecus, small and nimble, surviving both in the trees and on the ground. These early hominins were not hunters, but survivors. They scavenged, gathered, and used their agility to escape predators far stronger than themselves. Though their lives were short and perilous, each adaptation brought them closer to becoming human. The ability to stand upright freed their hands, and with free hands came possibility, tools, fire, and eventually civilizations. Life for our earliest ancestors was fragile. Survival depended on constant vigilance. Without weapons, they were not the hunters, but the hunted. Food was gathered from the land, fruits, nuts, and scavenged meat left behind by larger predators. Danger was everywhere. Saber-toothed cats prowled the plains, giant eagles struck from above, and crocodiles waded in rivers. Yet even in this peril, survival taught them something vital: cooperation. In groups, they could warn each other of threats, share food, and protect their young. This was the beginning of something deeply human: community. Every day was a test, but with each test came resilience. Step by step, they adapted, and slowly, the path toward intelligence and culture began to form. From survival came innovation. Around 2.5 million years ago, a new ancestor emerged: Homo habilis, the handyman. For the first time, stones were shaped into tools, sharp edges that could cut meat, crack bones, and change the rules of survival. Then came Homo erectus, stronger, taller, and more resourceful. They mastered one of humanity's greatest discoveries: fire. With fire came warmth, protection from predators, and the power to cook food, unlocking more energy for growing brains. These milestones were not small steps. They were leaps that pushed our ancestors further from the animal world and closer to the humans we are today. Tools, fire, migration, each breakthrough carried forward by countless generations, struggling, learning, and adapting. And from this long line of survival and innovation, one day emerged us, Homo sapiens. From the shadows of ancient forests to the light of fire, from simple tools to towering civilizations, our story is written across millions of years of struggle, survival, and discovery. Yet for every fossil uncovered, countless mysteries remain. Who were these ancestors? How did they think, feel, and dream? And what secrets of our own past still lie buried, waiting to be found? This is more than history. This is the journey of us all. This is the story before us. Subscribe and join us as we uncover the story before us.